I think Ruger's finally got it right with their LC9s Pro, which has no external safeties. It's got the Glock style safe action trigger, no magazine disconnect, no nothing. It's a fabulous trigger for concealed carry. Let's see how it shoots. That's at 10 yards. It's obviously for intimate self-defense. This is no target pistol whatsoever. I'll take a few more rounds. Let me load up a clip and we'll shoot some offhand. This is a pretty dinky little gun, I'll tell you. There's just not much to it. I'm surprised that it's not a hand slapper for being such a light, thin gun. But it's certainly reliable. The trigger is outstanding on it. There's no question about it. And the ejection is good. So this is just 10-yard shooting. That's all there is to it. Not a target pistol by any stretch of the imagination, but for self-defense, if you're actually forced to use a handgun, it's going to be at extremely close range. 10 yards, and generally, as most people realize, it would be a matter of feet. So I'm impressed with it. Very, very comfortable to shoot for such a lightweight little gun. With this ammo, which is 115 grain Federal hollow points, not the most accurate, certainly acceptable for a threat that's right in front of you. But Ruger's going to sell 1 million of these things. They're really, really nice. I'm impressed. The trigger is just absolutely fantastic. I'll run one more clip through it. This is very, very controllable. And I am surprised. I'd expect a little guy like this to be a real palm slapper, but it isn't. So that's a good thing. We'll go a little closer. So this would be about 9 yards. So really that's all you need for intimate, close-up self-defense, threat stopping. Any one of those shots would certainly do the job. Contrary to popular belief, handguns aren't particularly lethal. Most people that are shot with handguns survive. It's all luck of the draw, because you can shoot in gelatin all you want, but as most people realize, a human body is not one contiguous, consistent mass. There's all kinds of variables there. But I like it. I think it'll shoot better with different ammunition. The Federal's all I had with me, just this old Federal classic stuff. So I'll try it in the future with some Hornady critical defense and some Barnes loads that are generally my two favorites. But it's a fun gun to shoot. It's very, very comfortable for such a light, small 9mm. And the trigger is absolutely superb. Really, really good. So it's a whole new world for Ruger, and I said they'll sell a ton of them. It's fun to shoot, and small enough, light enough. I don't think anybody's going to have any problem carrying one of these things.